In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube video to Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a YouTube clip into your design using the Anima plugin so you can preview motion, demo flows, or hand off richer prototypes. Start by heading to figma.com and signing in. From your workspace, open the area where your files live, click All Projects to see everything available to you. This helps you quickly find the right file, especially if you're working across multiple teams or drafts. Now select the project you want and click to open it. Give the file a moment to load so all components and plugins are ready to go. Look toward the bottom of the interface and click Actions. This opens the space where you can access available plugins and tools inside your current file. From here, choose the Anima Figma to Code plugin. If you see multiple entries, pick the one labeled with Anima's full name, click it to launch. If a second confirmation is shown, click it again so the Anima panel opens in the sidebar. Inside Anima, find and click the Media Element option. This is the feature that lets you embed external video content, and it works well for YouTube. A quick tip: have the frame or component selected where you want the video to live. That way, Anima knows exactly where to place the media placeholder. Next, paste your YouTube URL into the field provided. Use a standard YouTube link so the plugin can correctly detect the video. Avoid private or region-restricted links to prevent loading issues later. Once the URL is in, click Next to continue. You'll see playback settings you can tailor to your prototype. Adjust options like autoplay, looping controls, or start behavior so the video matches the user flow you're designing. For example, for a hero section, you might enable autoplay and hide controls, while for a demo screen, you might keep controls visible so reviewers can pause and scrub. When you're happy with the settings, click Save. Anima will create a video placeholder in your design that references the YouTube link and honors the playback preferences you just set. You can resize or position it like any other element to fit your layout. In presentation or prototype mode, the video will behave according to your settings, making your mock-up feel more realistic without exporting heavy files. That's it. You've gone from opening your project to embedding a YouTube video with Anima, complete with customized playback. If anything doesn't appear right away, give it a second to load and double check that the correct frame was selected. Thanks for watching and happy designing.